What's up, y'all? Today we're gonna talk about and do something different. So today I got a box from Stitch Fix. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's an online subscription where you get some nice stylish clothes. You get the box, you look at the clothes, you basically get a stylist and they pick the clothes out for you based off of your style profile. And when you get the box, you see what you like, you give back what you don't like, and you pay. That's basically the gist of it. Now, if you're interested in the box, I will leave all the show notes and all that stuff in the description so you could go ahead and get started. But let's go ahead and take a look at what I actually got. So I don't actually got a knife, so I'm gonna use a spoon. Yeah. Still very efficient. Still very efficient. Alright, as you can see, we have this nice box. Comes with a nice return envelope, just in case you want to give the bad boy back. Then you have a nice little envelope. It shows you some, I guess, style stuff. Basically, it shows you all the outfits that you can make with this exact clothes selection, as well as the prices for them. We ain't gonna show all that, but I'll show it. It's not that expensive. It's pretty affordable. And for the part that you've been waiting for, we got the clothes nicely wrapped right here. Now, I'm just gonna read off some of the items that we have on here. We have Hawker Rye, an Essential Wash Stretch Slim Fit, A-Frame, Stockholm Stretch Pippin Shirt, Red Ale by Aylesbury, Pocket Bedford. We have Flag Anthem, Timmy Slub V, and we have Julian and Mark, Marco shirt, sleeve shirt. Alright, so here's all the clothes. We have some of these nicely folded shirts. These are really nice for, like, I guess, work clothes, which I was kind of looking for. I kind of like this one. This one's pretty good. It has some nice designs on there. This would be a nice one to take to work. And I'll be trying all of these on. This is more of my cup of tea. I like this shirt. Let's see what size this is. This is a medium. This one is pretty good as well. And we got some shorts. I ain't seen these in a while. And we got, this is kind of cool, some jeans. So let me go ahead, put these on, and let me show you how it looks. All right, so here's the first shirt, and let me go ahead and read that tag. This is the Flag and Anthem Timmy Slub V. So this is a nice fit. Feels snug on my body, and it has some really nice material. So most likely I will probably keep this because these are my favorite type of shirts. I'm an essential shirt type of guy. I don't want nothing too flashy. Just needs to be comfortable, look a little stylish, which I think it does if I don't say myself. Now let's get on to the next shirt. All right, so the next one we have here is the Julian and Mark Macro Polo tee, I think that's what it's called. And this is like, I really like this fit. Like, it's snug around the muscles, very good material. It's stretch material, so as you can see, stretches and goes right back into place. I like that. It's slim, but it's not too slim. It's like my perfect cup of tea. But yeah, let's get on to the next shirt. All right, this one is the Stockholm Stretch Poppin' shirt. So this is in gray apparently. This doesn't look like gray in the camera. But like I said, a lot of these shirts, they really have a good fit. And I'm liking the fit on this. Makes me feel nice and professional. So that's always a plus. As well, it has a nice little collar. I like that. And the fabric is very stretchable. And I like that because I like to move around. So that is always good and it's comfortable. The only caveat that I have about this shirt is it is a light color, a gray color. I feel like with these types of shirts, they will tend to get dirty a little fast. So that's my only caveat with this. All right, next thing we have on the list is the Red Ale by Aylesbury 9.5 Stockit Bedford. Now, these are some shorts. They're olive. I'm not a big shorts type of guy, but I mean, these don't look too bad. The holy thing is, I don't even know what I'm gonna wear with, but I'm really just not a shorts type of guy unless it's sweat shorts. But I mean, they're okay. I just think because I'm not a shorts type of guy, I don't find myself wearing this, but let's get on to the next pant. All right, so this is the Hawker Rye Essential Wash Stretch Slim Fit Chino. And it's in the color blue and really feeling this. I like it, it's very comfortable. Let's see the stretch, yeah. I like when it can stretch. I like the stretch. The color is a bit different from what I would usually get and what I would go for. So ultimately, I wouldn't go into the store and be like, I want those pants. But seeing them in the box and actually putting them on, no, I kind of like them. They're not bad. Only thing about these, I feel like they stain easily. But hey, we'll go ahead and give it a try. I think almost every single thing could stain easily, so you might as well give it a try. So all in all, this is one of my better boxes. A lot of times I only do this box once in a blue moon, and when I get this box, I usually like only probably 1 to 2 items max. But this one, there's about probably 3 or 4 items that I actually liked in this. So this is one of the better boxes. But what do you think about the choices that they sent me this week? Do you like them? Do you not like them? Would you consider actually doing this service? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to see more of these types of videos, let me know as well. Watch this video. Go subscribe here. I'm Brandon Young, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.